Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. We're getting down to the wire. Today is day 17 of the 24 days of Christmas, Secret Santa. Are you guys done shopping? Have you gotten all the gifts you needed to get? I'm not sure, I'm sure I'm done, but you know, there's always just that one more gift. But anyway, if you've seen previously, I did wrap all my presents already and I forgot to video. So some of them I was able to reopen and share with you. Some I had bought my own so I could still share with you. Well, this one is one of the ones I can't open, but it's just rhinestones, jemmies, adhesives, so she can use them. So I hope she enjoys. Today's day 17. Hope you guys are following along and liking all the goodies. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing and joining me on my little crafty journey. Until the next video, shakas!